Hello, friends, family, and beauty pageant contestants. My name is Alea, and today I thought I just want to sit and come and talk to y'all about all of the works in progress that I have. I technically have 6 projects going right now at the same time. However, I'm only going to show you 4 because these are the 4 that I do want to finish like by the end of this month, hopefully. But before we get into that, if you like crochet and yarn content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, if you could like this video so other crocheters and crafters like yourself can see this. And make sure you comment down below which project that I'm going to show you today is your favorite. And, also, turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I post new videos or go live. You guys have been killing it with these lives. I've been having so much fun. All the interactions and the conversations we have, I am loving it so much. So thank you guys for joining my lives. I do go live. I have been going live about 2 to 3 times a week, and it's just been so fun. I've really been enjoying getting to interact with you guys. All right, so with that out of the way, let's get into the whips. All right. So I feel like this is the first time that I have not been stressed out about, of course, a plane would come. This is the first time that I have been so excited to have so many whips going at the same time, just because I am loving every single one of them. So I'm going to go into the first one. I am testing a pattern for somebody. I'm testing the Day Off. I always get this name wrong. Day Off Tank by Tiny Crochet Couch. Tiny Couch Crochet. Oh my gosh. And this is what it looks like. I have finished the front and I just have to do the second strap. I did one strap. I just got to do the second strap and block it. I do think that I'm going to wet block it. This is my first time wet blocking. I normally just steam block because I use a lot of like acrylic yarn, so I just steam block everything. But this is made from the Premier Cotton Fair. This is in silver and succulent. And her pattern is coming out in the beginning of March. So I got early access to it to try it out, and it is coming along so great. This is Tunisian crochet, and it's pretty much comprised of Tunisian crochet knit stitch and Tunisian crochet simple stitch. Let's give a close-up on these stitches. It is gorgeous. Me and Sarah Beth, who is a friend on TikTok with, we every like Tuesday until we finish it, we're going on there and just crocheting together, having fun, and talking about crochet gossip and gossip in general, and just catching up. It's really fun to be able to talk to somebody and crochet at the same time. It's like, you know, a yarn club or crochet club. What can I say about this top? There's one thing we both said. This top is very luxurious, very simple, but it's like something you would definitely find in a very expensive store like Free People or Anthropology. And I have started on the back panel. So very exciting stuff, and I should be done with this like within the next 2 weeks. All right, next project is a blanket. So I have been doing a crochet along with Betty Big Knit. We are doing the 6-day man blanket, and this is mine. I also do this on live, and you guys are obsessed with it, as am I. This is what it looks like so far. As you can see, it is amazing. Betty McKnit is a really good friend of mine, and I've just been having so much fun with her. She is just a really like fun person to be around. And we also crochet together until this is done. Well, I think the 19th will be our last one, but yes. So this is actually made from Premier Puzzle yarn in the color Maze, and then the Premier Symphony yarn in just the gray color, and it's just working up really nice. She does 5 different colors, and it looks amazing. I just decided to do very simple, and I think it just is coming out so nice. This is a blanket. So every year I do a blanket for one of my family members for Christmas. Last year was my mom, and then I did also like baby blankets for my niece and nephew for Christmas. This year I've picked my grandfather to do a blanket for, so this will be his blanket. And it's just coming along very nicely. I do have to get more of the gray yarn, and because this is all I have left. And I am only halfway through the blanket. So I have plenty of the green yarn. So that's not a problem. But yeah, I am having so much fun making this blanket. I will link Betty McKnit and Tiny Couch Crochet, their Instagrams down below, so you can check them out as well. So the last two designs I'm going to show you in this video are freehanded by me that I'm thinking of making patterns for, but you guys tell me down below if you want to see a pattern in this. So I'm making a baby blanket. My sister-in-law, she is having a baby very soon. Actually, her due date just passed, but she's having a baby girl very soon, and I wanted to make a little baby blanket. So this is what I have so far, and this is just like a willow square, and I'm just continuing. Oh my gosh, continuing. I am just continuing it. I don't necessarily know exactly how big it is, because this is all the yarn I have left of this, and this is all the yarn I have left of this. This is just Red Heart Super Saver. I forgot the color. I think it's camel. And then this yarn is actually the Walmart brand Mainstay, the acrylic yarn in rose. I'm actually going to pick more of this yarn up, because I do think that I'm going to do like an official baby blanket pattern for this. And to match the baby blanket, I made her a little hat. And this hat is actually from a YouTube tutorial, and I will also link this down below, because isn't this so cute? And this is also one of the things where I don't even want to give it to her. I think this is just so cute, but I meant it for her, so it's gonna be for her. So yeah. And last but not least, this is the shawl that went viral on TikTok. So many people were enamored by it, and I decided to kind of show it off in this. I'm not done with it. I still have a whole half of the shawl and the border to do, but honestly, like, I am obsessed with it. So this is, I don't even know what to call this shawl yet, but this is what it looks like so far. This is Tunisian crochet, simple stitch, like on a bias. And it just has all of these nice, delicious jewel tone colors. Oh my goodness. And so now I'm halfway done with it. I just did the decrease for the solid color, because it's going to be stripes on this side, solid color on this side. So, and this is my Chiago hook. And this is all Lion brand hometown yarns that they have. I think the only ones that's not a hometown yarn is maybe this orange. I may be wrong. I might be wrong with that. Oh, I don't think, I don't know. But all of this is hometown yarn. This green might not be. But yeah, this is all Lion brand hometown yarn in here. And it's just, oh, it's so nice. So it's going to be a shawl, like a little blankie shawl. And it's going to keep me nice and warm, even though it's February. And February here in Virginia, and it's what, it's like 60 degrees. It's crazy. But I'm so excited to finish this. What do you guys think? I love the colors of it. I think I did such a good job putting the colors together. And I'm obsessed, and I can't wait for this one to be finished. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. That is all the whips that I wanted to share with you guys today that I'm super excited about working on. And I want to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Also, make sure you like this video so others can see this video, and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know the next time that I post new content and go live. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Until next time, create something gorgeous. Bye guys. I just realized I did a whole video with a stitch marker in my earring. Crafter's life, am I right?